So here we are going to discuss how to implement elastic MapReduce. So elastic MapReduce can be implemented through EC2 instance, where the user has to create cluster, or we can create from the notebook or Git repository. The Git repository, so we can add repository, GitHub or GitLab or any Bitbucket. So let's say from cluster. So in cluster we have to specify the cluster name, bucket where we can store, then person, then application, Hadoop or Hive or Presto or any other application, then the type of instance. So these are elastic MapReduce versions, then Hadoop, HBase, Presto, Spark, then instance type and key pair. Similarly, we can find the notebooks, notebook name, cluster. So if we do not have any cluster, so we can create our own cluster, then role, default role, then S3 bucket, then Git repository. So if we are having Git repository, we can choose the repository folder name, the URL. Here we have to specify. By specifying the repository URL, the user can link into it. Then security configuration, so the user has to create security configuration or use the default configuration. Similarly, VPC subnet, VPC can be created separately for the elastic MapReduce implementation, or EMR on EKS, so Kubernetes service. So basically Kubernetes service is available to some regions and to some availability zone. So through VPC, so these are the different VPC. We can create our own VPC, or we can use the VPC that are already being available. Similarly, EMR on EKS, Kubernetes service, is not available to SFSP Mumbai right now. So that's why we can enter to any other region and request for Kubernetes services. So in this way we can implement the elastic MapReduce and process huge amount of data by taking the large or medium type of instances.